KRK stock analysis and price predictions for Wednesday. Is it a buy? I'm going to be breaking all of it down in this very brief short 1-minute video. Now, I'm the only person in the stock trading space that's done over 43,000 videos over 5 years and documented everything, so I have genuinely seen for myself what's working and what's not. It's in a supply zone, you know, that's the biggest factor here, and a lot of people are gonna maybe hate on me or whatever, that I'm expecting a potential sell side, but that's how supply zones work. I'm not gonna assume that this will just freaking crash, but I'm trying to be realistic here, right? If there is a double break, then and only then I'm looking to take it further down. But randomly selling will just simply not be happening. Straight up, very simple. So all I'm doing here in the meantime is I'm just waiting for rules to be met. Here's this supply thing. It's not even supply, it's just for me to whether it be bullish or bearish, it either breaks above the red rectangle or below the red rectangle. And because it's not going to stay in here forever, you know, one is going to give. So if you want to stay tuned and get my money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description. It's free.